2020 has been a hard year, but one of the great things to come out of it is the CatJam meme. This meme originally stemmed from a clip of someone's cat bobbing their head to music, and a green screen version quickly spread with people replacing the background and adding their own music on top. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make your own version of the cat vibing meme for free online using a template where the green is already removed. You'll be able to add any background or audio you want and then export as a GIF or a video. So let's get started.
Kapwing!
So we have two templates to make the CatJam meme. This one, it's the first one in the description below. So if you click that, you'll come here. This is basically the CatJam green screen template, and we've already actually removed the green screen in here, so all you have to do is add your own background. We also have this version of the CatJam meme where it's the cat jamming to that song, the Finnish song that this drummer is playing. And this one has gotten popular recently, so if you're looking for this one to overlay text, you come here. So with either one, the cat bobbing its head part is actually different amounts of time. In this one, it's only 6 seconds long. And then with this one, it's 22 seconds. So this one's a little bit longer and the cat it bobs its head back and forth. So if you're looking for a longer CatJam scene, then probably choose this one and just replace the background behind it. And this version is the second link in the description below. Check out both of them. I'm gonna use this one to get started. So when you are ready, just click make it. So as you can see, there's already a transparent video layer with this cat. The first thing you wanna do is add your background. You can add an image, GIF, or a video. Whatever you want to do, you can upload it using this tab here, and you can click to upload a file or paste the link to like a YouTube video or a Twitter video or some other type of video content as well. We also have an images tab here where you can search anything you want and it will source from Google Images. So for example, I'm gonna find a picture of Times Square and you can scroll through the options. I like this one, and you can resize it using these purple dots at the end. If you want the photo to retain its dimensions, just hit lock ratio on the side here and then you can resize it proportionally. And then you'll see that it covers the cat now. So to reorder the layers, there's options in the bottom right corner here. Bring forward and send backward. I'm gonna click send backward to send that image behind the cat. Now, a classic part of the CatJam meme is that it's bobbing its head to a sound in the background. So you can either make a GIF or a video. The GIF will not have audio on it. So if you just want a GIF file with the cat bobbing its head with the background, that is already set up here. So if you click the export button to finish right now, you will get a GIF as your output. If you would rather have a video, which allows you to add an audio track on top of it, then make sure you go to the settings wheel in the top corner and then click default, which means that your project will result as a video. Cool, so if you do wanna add audio, you can click the audio tab up here and then click to upload your file or paste a link to one. I'm gonna use this to add to my video. So I'm just gonna copy the link to this YouTube video and go back to the CatJam meme template. And I'm just gonna click to paste in that exact link. And anything you add through the audio tab, even if it's originally a video, it will only take the audio. So now I'm gonna play it and you can hear that it's just the audio. Now, if you added a video in the background and you want the cat scene to loop multiple times, so the cat is on the screen as long as the video is playing, you have the option to loop the cat. To do that, you can go to timeline, and each layer in the project will come up on this part on the bottom. So this layer is the background, and then this is obviously the cat. If the video was longer, if I made this longer, now I can click the cat layer and then just click loop over here. And the cat layer will continue looping the video until that background, the video, or whatever is in the background is over as well. You can also add other overlays on top of this. So we have text boxes that you can just add, and then options will be on the right side to adjust how it looks on the screen. If you add images, they will be overlaid onto here as well. Once you're happy with how your project looks, you can just hit export video and your file will start. So my file is done processing and this is what it looks like. So it's pretty good. The cat is like bobbing its head to the music, and that's what we want. If you see a watermark in the corner, you can just easily remove that for free just by signing into your Kapwing account, and there should be a button to do that here. Otherwise, you can click download to save the file to your device, and then if you copy the URL and send it to others, they will also be able to view your project and even download a copy of it themselves. Have fun making your CatJam memes, and before you go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content creation and meme tips. Let us know what other videos you want to see in the future by dropping us a comment, and we'll see you in the next one.